Huh? Go out there and go get your water. Alright, now we got this fire going. Time to set up the bunk beds and cook some dinner. Yeah? What do you say? Huh?
Yeah.
Here, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Look at the camera.
2 thumbs up.
Dude, 4 thumbs up. Alright, so setting up the tent was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be because the ground was frozen, and then on top of that there was a layer of ice in between the fresh snow that we just got yesterday. So you had to dig the snow out of the way, then you had an unknown amount of ice, and then you had frozen ground. So a lot of the stakes wouldn't even stick to the ground. They were almost pointless. Luckily the guy line stakes were made out of rebar or something, and they seemed to be holding up the tent pretty good. But we got Bella's cot set up over here. We got the fire going. And we got Bossy Bella. She's over there relaxing. Hi. Say hi, Bossy Bella.
Hello. I got my sleeping bag over here.
You got your sleeping bag?
Yeah, and we have the big one. So we go all the way under. It has space to go under or sleep. Or you just go up to sleep.
Alright. So Bossy Bella's been asking me since we got the tent up and I got the fire started, what am I making her for dinner? So, Daddy needs a break, but I guess it's time to make dinner, so that's what we're going to do now. Alright. We're making some hot dogs for Bossy Bella. It's a little windy out here. There's like some gusts around 20 or 30 miles an hour. Ready for your food, Bossy Bella?
Yeah, but it's kind of windy. You're bossy.
You're bossy.
Now who's bossy? Are you? Okay.
Bossy Bella.
Bossy kids. And y'all want 3 kids.
Those look pretty good. I think we forgot some ketchup, so it's going to have to be a dry bun today.
Did these win the ketchup?
I think we forgot it. Is that okay? Can you eat your hot dog? You want me to give it to the grizzly bear outside? Well, you want your hot dog or?
Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot. Blow on it. Take a little bite.
That's more.
Not too much. And we're gonna make some quesadillas for Bossy Bella.
Don't call me Bella.
Angel Bella. Bossy Angel Bella. Looking pretty yummy. Quesadillas looking pretty good. You might be full after this. You gonna have room for salmon and vegetables? And s'mores? Huh?
Yeah. I
How's
have
your
a
hot
dog. Good.
Alright, I'm taking the quesadilla off and I'm putting it over here on this little arm. It's like a warmer. You can put your food on there, or if you need to dry something off, it's a good place to put anything, your socks, shoes, but it definitely stays warm. So we're going to put the skillet over there for a little bit, and then we're going to cook up some, that stove is hot, that should burn my glove. It's really toasty here. We had to completely strip down. I'm just wearing my inner layer and took off 2 layers. Bella's already in her thermals, and it's really toasty in here. This little stove's powerful. Go Bella, go Bella, go Bella, go Bella, go Bella. Alright, we're gonna make some hot chocolate, and we got strawberry shortcake, some whipped cream. We got some strawberries that we made at the house.
Yeah, and we're going to put hot chocolate inside my hot chocolate. We're going to put the tiny baby ones are tiny. They're tiny.
You're gonna break your tablet. What do you got, please? Okay, we got some biscuits we're gonna warm up. Put them on the skillet.
And after that, we're going to put the strawberry sauce on it. Then we're going to the extra cream whipped cream on it. And after that, we're going to do the hot chocolate.
We got whipped cream. And we brought some strawberries.
Apple.
Where's the what?
Where's...
Okay. Put some in there.
Okay.
Squeeze it right here, like this. Oh yeah, that's Bella's favorite. Now you can squeeze this thing. Here, open your mouth. Drink some.
Too sweet.
Oh my God, you're crazy. Biscuits are burning. Hope we didn't burn them. They're a little toasty. Perfect. Yeah, not bad. Woo! Toasty. All right.
Toasty just like a bread.
All right. Put some strawberries on there. Whipped cream. Look at that. Oh yeah. Some strawberry shortcake. Some hot chocolate. Is yummy? Okay. Alright, check this out. Look at that. I probably have a table here somewhere, but thanks, babe. Cynthia made the strawberry shortcake. Not bad.
Yeah, I want the whipped cream. That's it.
Drink this whipped cream. Whipped cream. Yummy? Sticks before we went to bed.
No.
So we're not gonna do. We'll do s'mores maybe in the morning.
Yeah. But there's the little baby s'mores. Yeah. But I just didn't bring the crackers or chocolate.
Oh, I got it. I just didn't get any sticks. I'm not going back outside because it's 0 degrees.
It is perfect. Okay?
I think I ate too much food.
Huh?
Hot chocolate good?
Perfect.
Alright, I'm pretty tired. There's a lot of work setting up this tent. Next time I'll definitely get some heavier stakes for the tie downs. The same ones that they use for the guidelines, which are the big rebar stakes. And I think that's what you need for everything on this tent, because the little baby tent, the baby stakes were all bent up and they didn't cut it. So we're gonna probably go to bed here pretty soon and see how this fire does. I think that I hope we have enough wood. We got a bunch more wood that I brought over. And we got a bunch of wood, so hopefully it lasts throughout the night.
And
It's just that when you fall asleep, if the fire goes out, then you gotta start all over again. So you gotta kind of wake up every little bit just to throw some logs in there. But we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you in the morning. Say good night.
Good night.
It's perfect. All right, good morning. So Isabella got her Junior Park Ranger badge that the Rangers gave her at the visitor center for the Rocky Mountain National Park, and she is a official Junior Park Ranger. Give me a high five.
Oh yeah.
Atta girl. All right, you gonna go play? Do some sledding?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, Isabella's gonna do some sledding, and I'm probably gonna get ready to cook some breakfast. She wants French toast and Spam and eggs. Let's see the Olympic sledder though. Look how deep this snow is.
No.
Oh, it's too deep.
Inside the hole.
Oh, look at this. Knee deep snow. Okay, go. Go.
Let's go.
All right, let's come down here. Bring it down here. a little breezy out here. Come on. We blow away. I saved you again. How about this view, huh? This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. These stakes here didn't really cut it. So I'm gonna have to get bigger stakes. We got these rebar size stakes right here. These ones were good, but you probably need those big stakes for everything on the tent, especially in the winter time because there's so much ice and frozen ground. You can't really secure the tent very well with these little stakes because you can see they just bend if you hit them into the frozen ground, and they don't serve a whole lot of purpose. So we're gonna have to get some more of these rebar stakes right here in a little mini sledgehammer because the rubber mallet doesn't cut it. Whoa, are you okay?
So good.
I'm gonna get snow down your butt. All right, it's very hot. Very hot, okay?
Ow.
Too hot? Okay.
Let's let it cool down.
Okay, we'll let it cool down. What's wrong?
Oh, look.
Oh. Look at that. She likes a little bit of hot chocolate with her whipped cream.
See, nice cookie. Good. And I have googly eyes. Googly,
You get googly eyes?
I show it to this.
Let me see, put them on. Put your googly eyes on. Okay. Alright, somebody had too much hot chocolate.
Look at the scary wallet.
Huh?
Look at the scary wallet. Okay, guys.
The worst of the wind was supposed to be from last night, so if we survived last night, I think we're going to be okay for today because it's starting to cut back a little bit, at least the wind. But it's still pretty windy. The gusts out here are kicking up, I don't know, 20 plus miles an hour every now and then, and this tent's not secured very well. The rebar stakes kept it secured, so I'm definitely going to replace those little pin stakes. They're not going to cut it. So I'm cooking up this nice breakfast right here, and look what Bella brings me. She wants instant lunch, cup of noodles instead. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at that. That smells pretty good, doesn't it? Oh yeah.
I did that
What?
cowboy food.
What's this called? Cowboy?
Yeah.
Cowboy food?
Yeah.
This is dragon fruit.
Yeah. Dragon fruit.
And we'll eat this for breakfast dessert. It's frozen dragon fruit. It's sitting on the ground. Oh, it's still very hot. It's been sitting for like 5 minutes. You gonna eat yours? Good. That's good. Thanks, Mama. Alright, Bossy Bella wants some dragon fruit. She wanted a couple noodles. And then she wanted dragon fruit. And then she wanted bacon. And then she wanted spam. And then she wanted a little bit of everything. She tests everything, takes a little bite, and then she wants something else.
And then I went back and this.
This is dragon fruit. It's a tropical fruit from the Dragon Islands. Yummy? It's cold. It was almost frozen. Alright, it's time to pack up, but we made a pretty big mess. Look at this. This is just from one night. So we got a lot of work to do and head on out. So we're gonna start cleaning up and packing everything up into the truck and packing up this tent. You gonna help me pack up this tent?
No.
Didn't your mama ever say don't talk with your mouth full?
No.
Nice. I'll give you a 10.
Huh?
All right, it's time for us to pack up. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.